Apostle Carol said this, I forgot if it's in the service or it's in the Zoom call, but she mentioned believing for my neighbor's bill. I forgot where she said that, but I remember that very clearly. And then the following day, there was this friend of my father who was sick. And since my father is abroad, he has no access to transfer funds for this friend. And then he asked me na, anak, pakibigyan mo si ganito. Kindly send help to this person. And I was like, Lord, because I'm the kind of person who knows what comes in and out. I have it prepared for the entire year. So I'm that kind of person that if my expenses in this thing comes higher, it will automatically compute that this will be left and so on. Spreadsheet. And I know that I don't have that amount. I have only believed for myself. So I praise the Lord for the opportunity to indeed believe for my neighbor's bill. And so I gave it willingly, I delighted in the Lord. So now my spreadsheet is negative because I gave. So, and then the following week, that was this Sunday, there was just this delight in my heart without anything happening. I delight in the Lord. And then, so I came here with my tithes prepared. I have this amount, knowing that this is the tithe.